Hello, friends. Today I will talk about the things which we can do to keep our kidneys healthy. Now, the most common cause of kidney failure in India is diabetes, but only when the diabetes and the blood sugar is not in control. So, the most important to have healthy kidneys, if you are a diabetic, please keep your sugar levels in control. Please follow your endocrinologist advice. Take your medicine regularly and on time. Follow your insulin schedule, and along with that, follow the diet and the exercise. Everyone knew that prevention is better than cure. So please follow the ways where we can prevent the diabetes. And the most important of them is a daily exercise. If it is possible, 1 hour, or if not, at least 30 minutes we should spend on ourselves. These 30 to 60 minutes spent daily will decrease the time spent in the later years in the hospital. And the second important thing to prevent the diabetes is a healthy diet. And most important, please consume less sugar. The second most common cause of kidney failure in India is hypertension, that is high blood pressure. And the blood pressure also impacts the kidney when it is not in control. So keep your blood pressure in control. Take your medicines regularly and don't self-medicate. I know many people who think that today my blood pressure is normal, I don't need medicine. So they kind of adjust their BP medications according to their blood pressure. But please don't do that. Follow your physician and cardiologist advice. Visit them regularly and monitor your blood pressure at least once in a month. Now again, prevention is better than the cure. What are the ways where we can prevent the blood pressure? The same as of the diabetes: daily exercise, consume less salt, eat a healthy diet, keep a check on your cholesterol level, and regularly check the blood pressures. Preventing the hypertension and the diabetes are the most important things to keep your kidneys healthy. Now, don't ignore any stone in the kidney. We urologists have seen many patients losing their kidney because of the stone, and we feel very bad because stone is treatable. So if you have a stone in the kidney, in the ureter, or in the bladder, please consult your urologist and follow his advice. Now, this is also a common practice in India, is the self-medication. You have a pain or some another issue, you'll go to a chemist, buy a medication on their advice. So please don't do that. Please don't self-medicate. Always take a medication on your doctor's advice and on his prescription, especially the painkillers. We have seen patients losing their kidney just because of the painkillers. So please don't self-medicate. What are the things which you can do? Daily exercise, as we have discussed before, a healthy diet, less salt. Indian diet is full of sugar and the salt. We have to decrease our salt and the sugar intake. The salt intake per day should be less than 5 grams. The most important to keep your kidneys healthy is an adequate water intake. Please drink at least 3 to 3.5 liters of the water per day, that is 10 to 12 glasses of the water per day. How do you know your water intake is adequate or not? Your urine color will tell that. Your urine should be clear to pale yellow. If it is dark yellow, this means that your water intake is not good. Excess of the alcohol is also not good for the kidneys. And smoking is one thing which not only affect your lungs, it do affect the kidney and the bladder also. So please quit smoking. This is the last slide, which is the most important for all the Indian population. Please go for your regular health checkup. Please go for the preventive health checkup. You have a car, you have a scooter. Every year you take them to the service center and get them checked. Please also get yourself checked so that if there is anything, we can find out early and we can treat it. And as I have repeated again and again, prevention is better than the cure. Thank you.